Hello, this is Pablo with Craftees915, and I'm going to show you a video on how to create a gang sheet. So on Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to click on Create New, and I'm going to create a tabloid gang sheet. A tabloid gang sheet is 16 inches by 10.5 inches, and so I'm going to click Create. And I'm going to place my first image onto my artboard, which is this logo that we created. And if I were to place this logo right there towards the left edge, I notice that this logo is way too big for this gang sheet. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to resize it, and I can resize it by just grabbing one of the corners, holding the Shift key, and pulling it in like that. So now this logo is about a little over 10 inches high. So that's good enough. That's going to go on the back of a shirt. Now I'm going to bring in another logo that I'm going to use, and this is for a local landscaping company. This one I'm going to go like this, and I need it at about 3 inches high, which is right there. That's good enough. Because I'm going to be making two shirts, I'm going to copy and paste. This one is going to be placed right there. Now, in case that this customer decides to buy another shirt or decides they want more shirts, I can still fit another one of these logos right there. So I'm going to make it and take advantage that I'm already making these two. And I'll have one ready for when that customer asks for another shirt. I still have room over here to do some more stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my neck label logo, and I'm going to place it right there. And this is about a little over 2.5 inches tall, which is okay for a neck label. And so I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to fit as many as I can by pasting the copies in there. And so there we go. We have in our artboard, we have not only one image, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 images that I can print at a time on a gang sheet. Now I'm going to export it as a PNG. And so you have different options to export, but we work with PNGs with a transparent background. So I'm going to name this gang sheet. Click on export. The resolution at high. We don't want to do screen or medium. We want high resolution 300 dpi with a transparent background. We don't need white, and we don't want black definitely. So transparent background, click OK, and there it is. You have already created your first gang sheet. And if you are interested in other tutorials, to help you be successful in your business, let us know. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and happy crafting, and be blessed.